If you or your partner have experienced a drop in libido, struggled with performance, or lost that spark, you are not alone. Erectile dysfunction hits nearly half of men over 40, and low desire is the single most common sexual disorder in women. Why does your doctor never talk about it? Because frankly, most aren't trained. They skip the one thing that forms the foundation of vitality: optimal hormones. Here is the cold, hard truth. Your libido runs on testosterone. In both men and women, T is critical for energy, mood, muscle, and desire. But optimizing testosterone isn't just about the dose, it's about the delivery. Forget those useless 1% commercial gels. For maximum sexual power, you must target the genital tissues. Why? Because the mucosal membranes, the scrotum in men, the labia in women, contain the highest concentration of the enzyme 5-alpha reductase. That enzyme is your secret weapon. It converts testosterone into DHT, dihydrotestosterone. DHT is the wow effect. It's responsible for muscle, libido, sexual function, and orgasm satisfaction. If you aren't applying compounded cream to the genital area, labia or scrotum, you are missing the metabolic benefits and sacrificing your sex life. For men with ED, getting those T levels optimized is absolutely required to improve erectile function and makes those PDE5 inhibitors like Cialis or Viagra work hand in hand. Now, for the supporting cast. First, estradiol. In men, a healthy estradiol level, 75 to 100 nanograms per mil, is optimal, is protective against cancer, and is essential to improving erectile dysfunction. For women, especially post-menopause, oral estradiol is the hero you didn't know you needed. Why oral? Because of the unique first-pass effect metabolism. This route is scientifically shown to improve lipid profiles, stabilize atherosclerotic plaque, and provide cardiovascular protection, benefits you just don't get with topical patches. Second, progesterone. This hormone is your secret weapon against stress, anxiety, and sleepless nights. Progesterone helps quiet the mind so you can actually focus on foreplay. It's needed for sexual satisfaction and vasocongestion. For women experiencing severe anxiety or insomnia, I typically start them on a 200 milligram oral capsule before sleep. Remember this phrase: hormones are bullets, not magic bullets. They need the rifle of habits to hit the target. You can give yourself all the optimal hormones in the world, but if you ignore the basics, you are wasting your time and money. Quick wins for viral health. 1. Sleep. Just shifting from 8 hours of sleep to 5 hours can drop your daytime testosterone levels by 10 to 15%. Sleep health is non-negotiable. 2. Visceral fat. This highly inflammatory fat actively drives hormonal imbalance and lowers sex hormone binding globulin, SHBG, which means worse outcomes. You must reduce visceral fat to see consistent benefit from hormones. Don't let shame or provider disinterest hold you back. Sexual health is an integral part of vitality. Your next steps: find a provider who understands the nuance of bioidentical hormones. Ask them about the DHT wow effect of genital creams. Ask them about the cardiovascular benefits of oral estradiol. Ready to stop feeling held hostage by misinformation? Hit that follow button, share this video with someone who needs it, and comment below with the one hormone that changed your life. Let's bring optimal health to everyone.
If you're interested in exploring more of these incredible connections, from hormone optimization to metabolic psychiatry and regenerative medicine, be sure to subscribe and follow for more explainers just like this one. Thanks so much for watching this Within You Health production.